This is the Romford flower show. Flower and vegetable and fruit show. To start like the video. That is a proper way of doing it in sand. Or actually this is the, it's not sand. That is something else they're using in the potting. Yeah, vermiculite. Yes, vermiculite. Thank you.
It's the fine sulfur.
Yeah. Very well done. The shape of that. Of course, this one has suffered a little bit from drought, but the rest of them are right.
Not as good as some of the others.
I'm just taking the video. That's the first prize.
Yes. Yes, they're nice and uniform, aren't they? And the colour, and he's cut it.
Impressive. Nice, and it's difficult to have them the same size almost.
Yeah.
The distances, everything was alright, the food was alright for everyone. They look nice.
And you grow things?
No, this is not mine. I have grown those ones.
Yes.
That's my wife has grown.
Yes, yes.
And the pears got second. The sweet corns got the second also, that one, blue one. And the tomatoes got third, those ones. Black one is ours, but didn't get anything. Beside it, this yellow one, yellow card, is a firecracker that we won, the third prize for that. Yeah. That one is third. The blue one is the second. Is ours. Yeah. But the first prize is this. Borlotti bean.
Yes.
That is Borlotti bean. They use it for the bean of it for shelling and putting in a stew, or you use it like baked bean.
We sometimes use it instead of butter beans.
Yes, you can use it.
Yeah.
When it is young, you can.
They're both colours, blackie and a white, aren't they? The
it's
seeds.
called Borlotti.
I'm afraid some of mine have crossed between each other.
Oh.
When I put so, and I get different colour ones as well.
The thing These are really lovely,
Kelsey.
lovely onions.
Sometimes in London you'll see the different varieties.
Yeah.
And the collies in October.
These are too green, I suppose. They get third prize when this one got second.
Yeah, they're more
I think it's because they're green.
You're not supposed to overpeel them.
Oh, that was overpeeled. Yeah,
That
yes.
would be overpeeled, you see.
Yes,
And the
yes.
thing is, that there, what Dave's put in, is more uniform.
Yeah.
And
I think they keep better also when they have this dry skin over them. Yeah.
but they're very mild. Kelsey is very mild. The exhibition seeds, you'll get them from, but Medwin Williams,
Medwin Williams.
yes, the judge, he's going to be judging the London show.
Oh, that's
because he done
amazing.
the pumpkins.
Oh, that will be in the October, huh?
Yeah,
October?
early days in October.
Oh,
if you're on
that's
that
good.
internet, you can put on there RHS.
Well, want to come there.
Horticultural.
I may suggest here also that if they have a category for the pumpkins, that will be good.
They have.
They have.
They have.
Great.
And Wesley put a display in, and there was a lovely pink pumpkin.
Pink pumpkin. Never saw anything like
Right?
that.
But there's grey ones as well.
Yeah.
Right.
I just finished to that end. I will come for the apples. Yeah. See you then. My poor figs didn't win anything, but that was the best. They're the tastiest pigs in the world. These ones also didn't get anything. But the category is wrong, you know, figs, pumpkins, raspberries and sweet corns, all in one category. Also beans, French beans and the chilies. They should have separate categories for this, but anyway, that's the way it is. I'm taking some photos before we eat them. My prize winning